If you are wondering if you can use a power adapter not made by Motorola in order to charge your Motorola Moto G87, then the answer is yes. For example, I personally use a Realme power adapter. I also have a Xiaomi power adapter and it works as well. So the brand doesn't matter as much as, for example, how much watts the power adapter has, although of course, power adapters usually have like at least 10 watts and that is enough to charge the phone, so in that case the watts probably don't really matter that much as well, unless you care about the fastest charging speed possible. Now, one thing that you might need to consider if you, for example, want to purchase a power adapter that is not made by Motorola is the port that the charger has, because the original cable is USB-C on both ends, so ideally you want to get a power adapter that has USB-C port as well. But if you happen to get a power adapter with USB-A port, then you can of course use USB-A to USB-C cable and it's going to work as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.